Turn the low pass filter up to 200. Checked it on the Sony SDDS, it's up to about 300. Oh, 330. I think that's set maximum. Oh, I can't remember what the output is, but I'm getting force rumble, force choking up to where is it? Getting it up to that range there. Yeah, force choking. That's what it's all about, isn't it? Feel the force. Yeah.
Stop!
Still at the low end. Yeah, don't see a point cutting the LFE off at so sometimes it's filtered. Not sure what the deal is here with Revenge of the Sith, but it's going up way up above 120, so it's going up to 140, 150, 107. It fades a little bit up at the top. Notice the few little nuances of the little kicks. Kind of, it sounds like a looping. Oh, what's that? I think that's where they used a bit of force there. Using the force. Can feel the force. Got an idea. Okay, it was like last night I was noticing, why was I getting, sounded like I was getting the LFE in the center channel, which I was, because I had one of these here, where it says down here, with LFE, so I can divert some LFE signal into one of the surround channels if I want to, which I'm presently experimenting with maybe can use got crossover slope, so if I want to keep the surround signal will still be, let me see, it's let's do a diagram. Simplest way I can understand it. That's the surround channel, that there. So, well, not exactly 10 hertz. Let's be a little bit reasonable. Eh? 5 hertz. Okay. To 20k. Okay. And so the LFE signal. So this will be the surround. And so want to add in the LFE. And then that signal could be kind of layered in here. And then it'll probably cut off there, you know. Probably have a cut-off range at 200 hertz. And if I wanted to filter off any of the LFE signal, even though the surround, you know, itself is kind of going to roll off a little bit, you know. If I want to keep the signal on the LFE from going any too low, if I to keep it from going too low, I just put a filter in. Put a filter in there, or I can put a filter in there just by adjusting there. The slope. Well, we'll see how it plays. Just let's play something. I can hear that, boom, boom, boom. I can hear some panning and some Foley pannings going on there. Okay. Just add in. I'm going to go at 0. Oh yeah, I can sense it. I can sense it in the yeah, hear that rumble there. Hear that rumble. Hear that rumble in the surround. I can also reduce the level of it. It's at 0 at the moment, so I could cut back the level if I want. And cut back the level of it. Let's cut back by 10. I'll cut it back by 10. 2, 3, 4, 5. That one there. Okay. What's that sound like or feel like? Yeah, I can hear it's a bit mild. I'll go back to 0. 0 with caution. Okay. So surrounds are going up on from the CP750, so they'll be coming up on here, so it's no problem. And use the force. Grab the lightsaber. Interesting. It's handling pretty well on the JBL 8330 Mark II with SA, with the SASs on the seats. Wow. That's easy hitting. I can easily go for 100, that easy. But gotta use caution, you know, gotta check rehearsal. Oh, that's interesting. Didn't know I could do that. So the signal of the because the system's so complex there, that signal is still okay. Yeah, I got it. I know where it's running there. Okay. And I can bring the surround level up. Okay, on its own. That's interesting. Good. I kind of like that. So use that fader. Turn that up. Alright, cut it back -10, because you can cut them back individually by 1 dB steps. Just so that the overall of it was matching the subs over there. So when they do the force rumble, you know, get the same level, and then add those, and then I should get a signal that goes up a bit higher. Otherwise, if I had it the other way around, there'd be the sort of LFE going in the surrounds would be a little bit overpowering. It's not bad. So that's playing separately. So mute it. Mute the JVL subs at the front. It's kind of interesting, that.